Hello bakers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be going step by step in explaining stacking, filling, and crumb coating using the double barrel method. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more beautiful cake decorating videos. Before I begin stacking my cakes, I must have even layers to work with. Here I am using my serrated knife to just mark a guideline around the cake, and then I cut deeper as I go around, and that's how I get even layers to work with every time. I'm going to be filling my cakes now with some very delicious Swiss meringue buttercream. This is my go-to buttercream, and I can't wait to share the recipe with you all. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're interested in getting cake recipes and buttercream recipes on this channel. So I fill with the buttercream, and then I start my second layer, and I repeated the process until I have 3 layers in height. Now that silver board you see me with, it is the same size of my cake, so I'm stacking and filling a 10-inch cake here. And I have a 10-inch board. I cut it a little, so it's about 9.5 inches round. And I measured some straws, and I'm putting about 8 straws in the cake. Then I put my cake board on it, and I always check to ensure that it is very level. Once the cake board is on, I'll go ahead, put a small amount of buttercream just as a glue to hold the next layer of cake, and I start my next layer of cake on. Fill with some buttercream again, and then the final layer is on. And you can stack up to 6 layers of cake using this method. Once my cake is all stacked and I'm happy that it is level, I will wrap it with some cling film and sit it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes just to let the filling firm up a bit, so when I'm cutting off my caramelization, it doesn't change how level my cake is, and I don't push down on it too much and cause the buttercream to push out through the sides of the cake. Once I cut off the caramelization, I will apply a thin layer of buttercream around the cake, which is my crumb coat. A crumb coat is just a thin layer of buttercream to trap all the crumbs before you apply your final layer to the cake. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you did enjoy this video, I will leave links to some more of my videos at the end of this video. Please check them out and tell me what you think. Remember to leave a comment down below and tell me what you would like to see next. Until next time, keep on baking.